So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this sum for you all. So look at the sum. Find from the definition the derivative of px plus q whole divided by ax plus b. Okay, we have to find the derivative of this expression. Okay, so I am doing the sum, watch it carefully. Let f of x is equal to px plus q by ax plus b, right? So therefore f of x plus h is equal to p into x plus h plus q a into x plus h plus b. Clear? Okay, so now therefore f of x plus h minus f of x is equal to p into x plus h plus q by a into x plus h plus b minus px plus q by ax plus b. Clear? Okay, so now the LCM will be a into x plus h plus b into ax plus b. Okay, clear? And in the numerator it will be p into x plus h plus q into ax plus b minus px plus q into a into x plus h plus b. Clear? Okay, so it is going to be ax plus ah plus b, ax plus ah plus b into ax plus b. Okay, and in the numerator it will be px plus ph plus q into ax plus b minus px plus q into ax plus ah plus b. Clear? Okay, so now it will be ax plus ah plus b into ax plus b. Okay, and in the numerator px into ax, that means pax square, px into b plus pxb. Okay, ph into x, that means plus phax. Okay, so ph into b plus phb. Okay, plus qax plus qb minus px into ax, pax square. Okay, px into h plus pxah plus pxb plus pxb plus qax plus qax plus qah plus qah plus qb. Okay, clear? Okay, so this will be ax plus h plus b by ax plus b. Okay, it will be pax square plus pxb plus phax plus phb plus qax plus qb minus pax square, okay, minus pxah minus pxb minus qax minus qah minus qb. Okay, so now minus pax square plus px square is going to cancel each other. Okay, now minus pxb plus pxb minus pxb. Okay, अच्छा minus phax plus phax. Okay, अच्छा minus qax plus qax. Okay, minus qb plus qb. Okay, so what is remaining? Remaining is phb then minus qah, phb minus qah by ax plus ah plus b into ax plus b. So it is going to be, h is going to, I am going to take common, so pb minus qa, and here ax plus ah plus b into ax plus b. Clear? So now using the definition of derivative of fx with respect to x at the point x, we get dy by dx is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay, clear? So is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h is how much? F of x plus, sorry, f of x plus h minus f of x. Okay, f of x plus h minus f of x, f of x plus h minus f of x is this one. Okay, so f of x plus h minus f of x is this one, h into pb minus qa, okay, by ax plus ah plus b into ax plus b. Okay, clear? And then in the denominator there is also one h, so is equal to h into h, sorry. So this h is going to cancel each other. Okay, so now limit h tends to 0, pb minus qa, okay, ax plus ah plus b into ax plus b. Okay, so now we are going to replace h by 0. Okay, so pb minus qa, and it is ax plus ah, a into 0, a into 0 plus b. Okay, and then ax plus b, ax plus b. Okay, so then in the next page it is equal to PB minus QA, PB minus QA, AX plus 0 plus B, that means AX plus B, that means AX plus B and AX plus B. So finally this answer is going to be PB minus QA, and this is AX plus B into AX plus B is AX plus B whole square, and this is the answer. Clear? Thank you.